Hi, this is Adriana, and this is about earthing or grounding, as many people refer to it. On my previous video, I talked about the benefits of earthing or grounding. And if you're not familiar with it, you should look up Clint Ober's story. And he explains how he rediscovered this ancient technique. And about 20 years ago, and how in his journey he connected all the dots, how everything came about. And nowadays there are so many studies that shows the health improvement of individuals all around the world that have practiced earthing. For people that we do not live out in the country, we live in cities, by default our stress levels are higher, like noise, traffic, work, children, people we have to deal with, and so on. So the easiest way and most effective way for grounding out the noise, grounding out the stress, is grounding, earthing. Because grounding calms the sympathetic nervous system and quiets it down by absorbing the electrons from the earth, therefore reducing inflammation and charge in the body. And then you can breathe easier, you can sleep better. So it's about discharging. So just go outdoors, take your shoes off, walk barefoot for 15, 20, 30 minutes a day, and just let it go. And pay attention to how you feel, what you're experiencing. Put your hands and your feet on the earth, bury them in the sand, and if you're at the beach, or go sit under a tree, sit on a rock, and feel the energy of the earth. Pay attention to how your body feels. It's also about reconnecting to nature, to consciousness. So just practice and see what happens for yourself. There are books, movies about earthing, gadgets that you can use indoors, but I just told you about the easiest way. And this is a part of the series of videos for the 100-day video challenge for SalesVision. So if you have a product to sell, a business to promote for free, you will find the link below. And if you need leads or you want to start a business, choose the experts, choose the people that will teach you, that will train you and will support you within SalesVision. And you will find the links in the description below. Just click on them. And thank you for watching. Bye.